Fairbrother of Be Content Yoga. Thanks for joining me on my series of how to use pool noodles in your land yoga practice. You might be a person living with carpal tunnel syndrome or arthritis in your wrists and have trouble getting on all fours or bearing weight in your hand in your land yoga practice. A traditional yoga wedge can be great for this, but they're kind of expensive. They cost about $25, so you may not have access to one, or if you're a yoga teacher, it can be hard to afford enough for a whole class. So you can take a pool noodle, which costs you $1 at the dollar store, slit it in half vertically, cut it in half the other way, and you've got 4 wedges that you can then use to add a little space under your wrists when you practice. Take some pain out of your life. That's the most important thing. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure and subscribe to all my social media channels to get all the tips on using pool noodles in your land practice. Namaste.